Welcome back to CNC training video. Today I'll show how to make this simple 2D design for the beginner. See, here is some mechanical part of design. Here is a bigger arc radius 85 millimeter and the biggest circle diameter 98 millimeter. Here is a circle 15 millimeter. See, and here arc radius 19 millimeter and here 12 millimeter. See, and small circle center to bigger circle center distance 34 millimeter. See, here two line gap. See, here radius 4 millimeter. Okay, and gap one line between to another line. So here distance 4 millimeter. Okay, let's try to make this. First take part. See, and okay, and then I choose front plane and sketch. Now first choose center line and make sure it's vertical. Okay, and let's take another one is horizontal. See, make sure this line must horizontal. So click this line and here make horizontal. So now it's horizontal, and then click this point, control this origin point, make sure it's coincident. See, now it's connected. Then I choose circle. One, two, and here two circle. Okay. Let's define. Here, see, here diameter 38 millimeter. Okay, and inner circle 15 millimeter. Okay. And this outer circle 41 millimeter, and inner one same. You can give dimension or first click this circle and hold Ctrl key to this. Make sure it's equal. See, now it's equal. Then give the distance from center line. First vertical distance, click this point to origin point. Here distance 63 millimeter. Okay, and vertical horizontal distance 84 millimeter. Okay, now I choose circle. I need three circle. One, two. Let's define. Smart dimension, bigger circle diameter 98 millimeter. Okay, and here 54 millimeter, and the smaller circle diameter sorry, smaller is 54 and middle 68 millimeter. Okay, here is 68 millimeter. Okay, and here 54 millimeter. Okay. And then click this middle circle, and here is construction geometry. Now it's construction. Now I choose arc. See here option shows the 3-point arc. Okay, and start top to bottom. See, okay, it's later, make later. Now this shape here is bottom center line. First click mirror. See mirror. Select on and two circle mirror about mirror from uh, horizontal center line. See, it's showing mirror. Now I choose arc and top to bottom here. Okay, then click this center point and hold Control key. Uh, then horizontal line. Make sure it's coincident. Okay. Now click this arc and hold Control key, circle, tangent relation, and see also another one. At the same procedure. Okay. Let's some bigger. Now I cut this unexpected line. Here is the extra portion. First click this sketch and instead trim entities. First choose power trim and click the mouse left button and drag to bottom. Here is cut it. Okay. See, and give the define. Here bigger arc radius 85 millimeter. See here 85 millimeters. Now I choose a circle. Just click here 1, 2. Okay, need to do circle. First choose the circle and hold Control key. This arc. Make sure it's transient. Here it's transient relation. Transient. Okay, now another transient. And also this transient. Okay. Now I cut this upper portion first stream and it's cut it. Okay. Make sure two arc is equal. Okay, here option is equal. Let's define smart dimension here and give the dimension. Here radius 12 millimeter. Another arc is automatically converted because two arcs is equal. Okay. Now here is mirror entities. First click mirror entities and select this arc and mirror about, mirror from this horizontal line. See here is mirror. And another one, need to mirror from center line, and the same procedure, mirror, mirror about, mirror horizontal. See, here is a mirror. Okay, now I cut extra portion. Sorry. It cuts carefully. Okay, and this. Okay, our design is completely okay. Here is showing fully defined, and due to one thing here, first I show circle. Okay, and start from this point and give the dimension. Here diameter is 8. Okay, now I select line and start from, see, here to here. Okay, make sure this line must here is vertical, so it's vertical. Now I choose okay, mirror. First click mirror, mirror from center line, say it's mirror. Let's define. Here is one option first. uh, okay, select this two line point, first one, and hold control key this, and construction line, make sure it's symmetric. So now it's symmetric. Let's give the distance. Here from here is there 4. Okay, now I cut its inner portion in the same procedure. Okay, now I choose pattern. First option, linear sketch pattern. Here is the option first, here circular sketch pattern, and choose this shape first, 1, 2, and 3. Here is 15 number of patterns. See here 50. Okay, now first click this point and hold control key, this construction line must be coincident. See here some mistake, that's why it's need to back. I have some mistake, it's no need to 15 pattern, here is need to 12 pattern, so back. And same again. click these entities. Okay, here is 12 pattern. Okay, now our design is still underdefined. So it's move. First click this point and hold control key this origin point. Make sure it's coincident. Okay. Now our design is completely okay. If you want, you can make this 3D. See, if you see everything is okay. Thanks for watching.